This Mi level Lite comes with a lot of features which I will tell you in this video. 6.55 inches of 90Hz refresh rate, HDR10 certified, Full HD plus resolution display protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and it also comes with the processor that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G, which is a octa-core processor, and it is a 4G processor, not 5G. MI has released 5G variant of Mi level Lite mobile in India today. It will gonna release the 5G variant tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. I don't know about that, but it will be available in 3 variants. Those are 6GB RAM, 64GB, and 6GB RAM 128GB, and also 8GB RAM 128GB internal storage variants. And the plus point is that this mobile comes with a hybrid feature, so that we can expand the memory of this mobile, so don't need to worry about the mobile storage. And these are UFS 2.2 storage capacity, so plus point. And when we talk about the cameras, yeah, this comes with a great cameras at the back side. It comes with a 64 megapixels of main wide angle and a 8 megapixels of secondary ultra wide, and also a third camera that is a 5 megapixels of macro camera. We can shoot up to 4K 60 fps, and it comes with a 16 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. Yeah, it is also nice. We can shoot up to Full HD plus resolution 60 fps. And when we talk about the battery, it comes with a 4250 milliamp hours of battery, and it's a smaller battery, I would say. It supports 33 watts of standard MI charge, we can say. And this mobile also comes with a in-display side mounted fingerprint scanner, even though it has a Super AMOLED display. I don't know, is it for decreasing the production cost? And it comes with a stereo speakers. It doesn't have any 3.5mm jack, and this mobile will be available in 3 colors. Those are blue, black, and pink colors. So I will leave the links to this mobile in the description box down below, so you can buy it from there directly. And the expected price of this mobile will be around 25,000 rupees. So it won't come at the 25,000 rupees. It might come at the 20 to 21,000 rupees in middle. And it also comes with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 features for better connectivity and purposes. And this mobile runs on Android version 11 out of the box and MIUI 12.5x latest version. And this mobile will be available on Amazon from, I think, 27th or 28th of this month. So wait until the mobile come to the sale and go to the description and buy the mobile from there directly. And by the way, I have also made videos about best mobiles under 30,000 for gaming, user experience, and cameras. On that video I have picked 3 mobiles, just 3 mobiles. You can watch it by going to the description box, or I will leave a link here in the card section, or you can also watch the Google Pixel 6 Pro features. It's also given by the link form in the description box. So hit the subscribe button.